Cats may make noise, and they jump for several reasons. Age and health issues like arthritis can cause discomfort or pain, leading to vocalizations. Some cats make noise out of excitement or playfulness, expressing their mood through meowing or chirping. Additionally, jumping might require more effort for overweight or less fit cats, causing them to vocalize. Lastly, cats may seek attention from their owners by making noise during jumps. Each cat is unique, and these behaviors can vary based on personality, health, and environment.